gonna tell you all about the plants, all of the pots and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy this song. Your lesson starts right now.
In order to assure that our actual procedure would work, we would have to test the oxygen and carbon dioxide sensors. So here's that.
Okay, so right now we're gonna go test the O2 sensors in the biology lab. But first, Jennifer.
Let me do this.
First, Jennifer's gonna go guess while we figure this out.
Now all the plants can reproduce.
I'm going to get the leaves.
This was our first attempt at using a different type of sensor, and we put it on a computer, but the oxygen sensors didn't end up working, so we had to turn to another alternative. This was our second setup, and the difference in this setup was that we used a carbon dioxide sensor in addition to the oxygen sensor, because the oxygen sensors were not giving us accurate results in the other trial that we had, and we also wanted to see how the screen would work in this sense. So we still used the last setup, but we needed to do another trial run using this device since we were not comfortable with it, and in order to not mess up our experiment, we decided to make sure we were comfortable with it, and that's what we did here.
We just figured out that it's touchscreen and it was so amazing. Oh my god.
The wonders of modern technology.
In this trial run, we also discovered other mistakes, as in we were going to add aluminum foil, but we decided to get rid of that since the light would not be able to reach the leaf, and we needed a USB to collect the data from the sensors. With this trial run, we were able to identify all of the factors that would affect our actual experiment, and we prevented that from happening.
There's a root that absorbs the water. It helps plants to stand up.
First, we needed 3 different liquid fertilizers and 4 plants that were the same kind. We got Miracle Grow Quick Start Fertilizer, which is a planting and transplant starting solution. Then we got Miracle Grow Plant Food, and our third one was Hypertonic Fertilizer. For the plants, we went to Home Depot and found the most reasonably priced plant that would have leaves big enough for the sensors to pick up on, and that it had a small size overall. We got 4 of the same arrowhead plants to test. We also needed 2 lights to make sure that we could replicate light for the plants during the whole experiment.
Pots and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy this song. Your lesson starts right now, and here we go. There's a root that absorbs the water. It helps plants to stand up tall. The roots form a stem, and the stem supports the plant. Oh, it sends nutrients to them all.
How am I supposed to shake a jar of
Oh yeah!
The leaves capture all the sun. Then leaves make food to form a flower. Oh, now all the plants can reproduce.
Okay, so basically we put 10 milliliters of each fertilizer after like diluting it and stuff. So we can put 10 milliliters like on one side. And yeah, we don't like that for you.
I'm gonna tell you all about the plants, all the pots and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy this song. Your lesson starts right
This is
now,
which
and
plant?
here we go. There's a
Miracle Grow
that absorbs the water. It helps plants
corn
to stand
feed.
up tall.
Pour and feed.
The roots form a stem, and the stem supports the plant. Oh, it sends nutrients to them all. And then there's leaves, so important. The leaves capture all the
You just press this,
sun.
right?
Then leaves make food to
Okay.
form a flower.
Is it recording?
Oh,
You can
Yeah.
all the
see
plants
see
can
that.
reproduce. gonna tell you all about the plants, all of the pots and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy this song. Your lesson starts right now and here we go. There's a root that absorbs the water. It helps the plant to stand up tall. The roots form a stem and the stem supports the plant. Oh, it sends nutrients to them all. And then there's
How am I supposed to shake a jar?
Oh yeah!
Hey Olga, what are we doing right now?
Struggling. I don't know how to plug this into the computer.
Or which one it goes into. Does this even work with these?